We're going to set the tool setter here, ETS, which is basically this scenario here. Okay, so we'll reset here. We're going to reference all three axes. Then we're going to drive over towards the tool setter over here. What I want to do is I just want to catch the edge of the spindle on the trigger here. Just jog it down right there. Yeah, so that looks pretty good right there. I want to set this as tool 0. This is important. So tool 0. You can see we're basically going through this ETS spindle reference set. So I've got no tool in the spindle, set to tool 0. I positioned the spindle over the tool setter as shown. And then I'm going to press ETS spindle reference. And that's all there is to that. And you should only have to do that once.